In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy index funds on Webull. So on Webull, what you will need to do is you will need to buy index ETFs, which track the same indexes and are available commission-free on the platform. So what you want to do is you want to open up Webull like you normally would, make sure that watch list is selected. Then you want to go to the search bar just like so, and then from here, type in the symbol of the index fund ETF that you would like to use. Now for this video, let's go ahead and use the VOO, which of course does track the S&P 500. You guys could also find the QQQ, SPY, VTI, etc. But for this video, let's keep it simple and let's type in VOO. And then you will notice that a bunch of options will appear and you're able to go ahead and select on it. And then over here, it's going to give you a chart that will show you the performance of the VOO. But what you're able to do is you're able to press over here where it says trade. And now you're going to see this option that says buy. And from here, you're able to go ahead and begin purchasing. So you can determine whether you want it to be a limit type or a market order or a stop order, etc. right over here, or even a recurring investment. So that is 100% something you're able to do. And from here, you're able to type in the amount of shares you want to purchase by pressing on quantity, or if you want to buy in terms of US dollars, let's say, for example, you want to buy $100 worth of the S&P 500. You want to press over here where it says USD, then it's going to switch it. Then it's going to ask you for the trading hours, time in force, and then press on buy, and afterwards you should be good to go. Of course, you should have funds available on your Webull account, and typically it is going to prompt you to connect a bank account if you haven't already. But if you already have a bank account or like a debit card connected, then you should be good to go, and you're able to go ahead and begin investing. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.